Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to show you how to stream and record stretched resolution in OBS Studio. Perfect if you want that wider stretched Fortnite or Valorant look that pros often use. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up the OBS Studio for that on your device, and once you open up OBS Studio like this on your screen, you will be finding the screen. Make sure you have your game source captured. If not captured, you can head over this plus option right here and select the option for game capture from here. And you can just go ahead and click on OK and add it up. And there we go. So for now, if you want to go ahead and, apart from that, what we can do is we can change the base canvas resolution. So for that, go to the top menu and select File and select the option of Settings and open it up. Once you open it up, you can go to this General Settings here and go to this Output here. Or go to Video and you can select this base canvas resolution here. So expand it up and you can change it. So as I'm recording right now, I can't show you the changes, but all you gotta do is go over to video section and change this resolution to 1920 in 1080. And under output scaled resolution also, you can select the for 1980 to 1080 or 1750 to 1080 depending upon your preferences, and you can click on apply and click on OK after that. As if you do so, stretch resolution usually give the high 1080 but reduce the width for more zoomed in or wider look. Apart from that, you can just go over and resize the game capture as well. So back in this OBS, if your game capture does not fit the screen, you can head over to game capture, right click on it and select the option of transform from here. And once you select the option of transform, you can select the option of fit to screen, this one right here, and confirm it up. And you can even drag your corners manually like this on your screen. That is also possible. And apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and set output for stream or recording. So go to your settings once again. And once you open up your settings, you can go to the stream or recording tab for your video, and you can make sure that your video encoder is set up to software, or even NVNC or into 264 is selected, and you can set your bitrate, video bitrate to 15,000 kbs, or for recording in 6,000 for streaming, and you can click on apply and click on OK. And that's it. Now you've successfully set up OBS Studio to stream and record in stretched resolution. So therefore, thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe.